This video explains the deprecation notices for Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2012 R2, and SQL Server 2012. If you have Orion product modules on any of these systems, you may have received a warning message notifying you that these versions are deprecated and will no longer be supported in forthcoming releases. SolarWinds provides early deprecation notices to give you ample time to upgrade your environment. Any Orion product built on the Orion Platform 2018.4 or later will no longer support these 2012 versions. The deprecation timeframe aligns with Microsoft's product lifecycle policy. The reason for deprecation is to leverage the latest improvements included in versions of Windows Server 2016 and 2019. Here are examples of some of the new features that the Orion platform can leverage to help improve both performance and security. Column store indexing, which helps reduce the size of the Orion database by up to 33% and significantly improve maintenance and data retrieval times. Automatic database tuning, which provides the ability for the database engine to identify and fix performance problems. Adaptive query processing, which allows SQL Server to adapt query plans as necessary. In-memory OLTP, which improves the performance of transaction processing, data ingestion and data load, and transient data scenarios. And also, multiple data security and privacy features, such as always encrypted, dynamic data masking, row-level security, data discovery and classification, and vulnerability assessment. These improved features are only available in the newer versions of Windows Server and can provide important security and performance upgrades that may be critical to your company's operations. However, should you decide to remain on the 2012 versions, you will not be immediately affected. For example, if you're currently running Network Performance Monitor 12.3 or any other Orion Platform 2018.2 module release, on Windows Server 2012, 2012 R2, or SQL Server 2012, there's no immediate need to upgrade. The SolarWinds end-of-life policy helps ensure that these versions will remain fully supported, even when they are installed on older systems. Also, the monitoring of Windows Server 2012 and SQL 2012, with the Orion platform and its related modules, is still fully supported, even in the latest releases. This support can also extend to those systems monitored using the Orion agent. If you are ready to upgrade from a 2012 system, this table shows which SQL and Windows Server versions are supported in the Orion Platform version 2018.4. In recent years, Microsoft has improved its in-place upgrade process. In-place upgrades are often the fastest way to get your Orion server up to the latest operating system or SQL database version. If you're unable to perform an in-place upgrade, these resources are available to help you successfully migrate your Orion platform to a new server. Click the links in the description section of this video. If you can't find the answers you need, or if you encounter an issue during your upgrade, please reach out to the SolarWinds support team for additional assistance.